Hello everyone, hello again. Now since you have got the password and you have found your way to connect to the Wi-Fi network, now you become part of this network, and the first step here, you need to discover the clients or the other PCs or devices connected to this network. To do that, just open the command line and write net discover. Since you have got the password, before going to net discover, you have to connect to this network. Just go here, connect to the Wi-Fi network, to your network. Connect. Okay, so now you are a part of this network. If you write fconfig to know the IP range, you can find here in the ETH0, it's under the iNet, it's 192.168.8.103, and then it mask 255.255.255.0. 255.255.255.0, that means it's the range /24. Now we can use net discover tool -r and the same range, enter, and just you need to wait to know all the clients connected to this network. You need to be patient, and I'm not gonna stop or pause the video. Just I want to explain this to you in details, because this is the main to start your hacking attacks. Sometimes what will happen until this finish, if you go here, you will not find the Wi-Fi networks. So what you have to do, you have to go to your VirtualBox. You have to check two things. First of all, you have to make sure you have the latest extension pack installed for the Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, and that you can check it from here, File, Preferences, Extensions, and this should be here. If it's not here, I have already explained how to install this in the installation of VirtualBox in the beginning of this course. You can just check it. And the second one is you need to go to settings to check the USB settings. Sometimes if it's 1 or 2 or 3, just try to change between this. Most of the time, if you change between 2 and 3, it will work. Just you need to power off the virtual machine, the Kali Linux, and try to choose 2, press OK. If this works, that's fine, well and good. Otherwise, you have to check 3. For me, I have tried 3 and it's working fine. Before checking 3, just make sure you have added your wireless adapter here and press OK, and that's it. So coming back to this list, it's showing us we have the router. Most of the time the router will be 1, the same subnet, and 192.168.8 for all clients. If I press Ctrl C here, for all clients it will be the same subnet, just the last number will change. So 1 mainly it will be for the router, and here it's showing us the manufacturer, it's Huawei or Huawei, and here we have another device connected, and this is its MAC address. Here we have another 2 devices connected. Okay, in the next lecture I'm gonna show you how to start sniffing data from those devices.